I fucked up. I don't know how drastic the consequences of this are going to be. It's been going so perfectly. Oh no. Oh, God. This is bad. This is very bad. Nobody has water. And this is dried up for some reason. It's coming back, though, I think. No, don't flood the rich neighborhood. It has such high land value. There is a much better solution to this as well. This river kind of dried up because I put a big old dam here that just completely solved every power issue I'm ever gonna have. So I moved the pumps up here, and then it broke, and then I just got rid of the dam, and then I realized what I did. I could have just put the pumps over here. Oh my god. You're still flooding? There's water in the fire station. Oh no. I'd love to have water right about now. People are leaving. Oh my god. Oh my god. What have I done? All abandoned. I've lost like 1,000 people. At least. Well, I hope this was the uneducated families. Just trying to make light of this situation. We've got enough water. Anyone else want to leave their house? Oh my god. Shut up. I have to rebuild half the city. How did this affect the land values? Not very much. Awesome. That was 38 when we started, I think. Just don't be flooding. Okay, I think we've mostly recovered, actually. So how can I make sure this never happens again? Water pumps are getting moved. We have way too much water. Okay, that was scary. I did not like that one bit, to be honest. I thought I was gonna lose literally everything. I'll just do what I did again. This river is mostly gonna dry up if I do this. Can I do it lower? Wait. Did I just cause another flood? Good. That's good enough for me. And yes, I did. Oh, God. I'm just doing other things, hoping that there's not another tsunami coming in. Not enough fuel. I don't know how to fix that problem. I do know how to fix that problem I just did with this thing. If I bought 3 more of these, they wouldn't be making as much as this dam is alone. Well, at least half the town isn't gonna leave this time. Glad I could document that. Actually, I'm more glad that my city is alive and well. I'm not in the clear yet. There's water on the street. It just doesn't end for these guys. Look at the car. Is that a taxi? It's a sports car. He's not happy. Oh my god, they're getting swept away. disappeared. Alright, I think I'm fine. I'm never breaking a dam again, that's for sure.